What to do when your PowerPoint content disappears after the last animation of a slide. For example, we have this slide, and if we go to animations, animation pane, we can see that we have 5 animations. Play them all, we have table array, we have disappearing, disappearing, disappearing. And at the end of the animations, you can see that all content disappear. If we go full screen and we run the animations, click 1, we have the first animation, click 2, second animation, click 3, third animation, click 4, fourth animation, and click 5 should play the last animation and keep the content on the slide. But that's not what happens. Let's just do one last click, and here we go. The content disappeared from our slide in presentation mode. So the issue actually is that the wrong master slide was used. So what we should do is exit presentation, create a new slide. So if we check this slide that is not working and we go to layout, we can see that it is using this blank. Okay, so let's create a new slide with nothing, just from the master. Let's copy everything, Control A to select everything. Just click outside of content, push Control A to select everything, Control C to copy everything, go back to the other slide, and Control V to paste everything. You can see that even animations are pasted. Now, if you have notes, you should also copy and paste notes here. And now this is the old slide, this is the new slide. Now, if we push Shift F5 to play the new slide, let's check. So this is the new slide on which we just copied everything. Here we play first animation, second animation, third animation, fourth animation, fifth animation. Animation plays and content stays on screen. If we click to go to the next slide, that is the old slide that we haven't changed, first animation, second animation, third animation, fourth animation, and fifth animation, content disappears. So you can see that it is solved. Now we can delete the old slide, and all we need is the new slide. So there is no automated way to do it for all slides. So if your whole presentation have this issue, you have to do it slide by slide. Create a new empty slide, copy and paste content of the slide that is making content disappear into the new slide, and delete the old slide. So you have to repeat this operation for all slides on your presentation, but that's how you solve the issue that content disappears in PowerPoint presentation mode at the end of the animations.